Hello everyone, it's Monday. Sophie, Matthew and myself for today, and we're going to go to Doddington, Wimbledon or whatever it's blinking called, March, and then we're heading back home this way to finish off the day. 19 cleans, see how we get on. It always seems to be a good day for us for this despite the driving, but let's see what happens now I've said that. Just an update, that's 4 done, so we're now moving over to March, and we've got, bear with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cleans to do in March, and then we're heading back towards home. So weather's holding out, nice and warm, thinking of taking this off, but we'll see what happens. Right, that's the cleans all done in March. I'm now heading towards home. I'm going to stop at Guyern for 2 cleans, which is where we're now going. Try and get some footage of them for you. So far we're not doing too bad for time. The problem now is I've had my hair cut, and so's Matthew, so Brucey bonus. Anyway, cracking on. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I've just come back home to fill up because we're almost completely out of water, and we've got 5 cleans left to do. 1 decent sized clean, the rest are fairly small, so it shouldn't take us too long. And so we should get done basically before it's too dark, so it's a winner. And yeah, the day's going well. Just hope the rest of it will now I've said that. Right, that's us done. 19 cleans done today. 40 miles driving is what we've done. So obviously we started in Doddington, furthest away, and worked away to the next village down for me, Murrow. So all good and done. Refilled up obviously towards the end. So yeah, it's a good day. Even though there's a lot of driving, this day tends to go well, and it's a good money earner as well. So we've hit our target and above what we need as well. So that's good. Weather's been good, blue skies. So otherwise I'm sure it'd be a lot darker now if it was all overcast compared to these nice clear skies we've had today. So long may this weather continue. Right, thanks for watching. I'll stick another video up for you now if you haven't already seen it, and stay safe. See you on the next one.